Okay, we're going to get started with our 5 sun salutations. We're still going to do Sun Salutation A. In the upcoming days, we will vary it up a bit. We're in our new studio. Very excited. Not our new studio, we did the floor and Tim painted. Okay, let's start off. Excuse me, in mountain pose. Okay. Inhale, lifting the arms up overhead, reaching upward. Exhale, forward fold. So bringing the hands down, placing them on the floor, head to knees. Inhale, lift the head up, straighten legs, look forward. And then hands come down and step back into plank pose. So we're going to take a deep breath in and then lower down into low plank or chaturanga. Inhale, lifting chest forward and lifting upward into upward facing dog. Option for cobra if the lower back is bothering you. And then coming into downward dog. So we're turning our toes under, pushing our tailbone upward. Let the head drop down. Typically we breathe 3 to 5 breaths here. Let's just take this time to ground our hands, spread our fingers. Maybe take the feet about hips width apart, but do what feels comfortable. On your next inhale, look forward and step both feet to the front of the mat. Come up to fingertips in our half forward fold, look forward. And lower down into full forward fold. Inhale, standing. Bringing the arms out to the side or forward, your choice. And exhaling, back to center. Ooh, you're about to go to the second one. So with the 5 ones, I mean, we can flow to the next one. Do you want to give it a shot? We can kind of alternate. No? Okay. Okay. Stand mountain pose. So hands to the side, feet grounded. Inhale, lifting arms up overhead. I just noticed we matched, actually, or tops. Okay. Exhale, forward fold. Hands coming down to the floor. Inhale, rise up halfway, look forward. And then stepping back into plank. So hold the breath typically and then lower down. We exhale to lower down. Try to keep the elbows close to the side of the body. I understand that's hard sometimes. Inhale, lifting chest up. Tops of the feet on the mat, come up to upward dog. Really feeling the chest opening and exhaling into downward facing dog. So let the head drop down. Maybe shake the head out. So we're trying just to release the shoulders, any tightness. Maybe we can take this time to pedal our feet, so push one heel into the ground at a time. Breathe in. On your next inhale, look forward, step both feet to the front of the mat. Come up to fingertips. Our hands can go on shins as well, like Tim is, and exhale, forward fold again. So bending the knees as needed, hands come to contact with the floor. Inhale, standing, slowly standing, lifting arms up overhead, reaching up for a full body stretch. Exhale back to center. Okay, so we can slow these one after another. Sometimes I just want to make some maybe helpful or insightful comments. But okay, we're going to start again. This is number 3. Inhale, lifting arms up overhead. Exhale, forward fold. Follow the breath down, hands on the floor, bend the knees. Inhale, come up. Halfway, look forward, flat back. And then stepping, hands come down, stepping back into plank. You can use your knees as well. Lower down to low plank, chaturanga. Trying to maybe hover this time. Inhale, lifting ourselves up into an upward dog and exhaling into down dog. Looks like Tim may disappear when we go all the way down, but I shall angle the camera a little bit differently tomorrow. Okay, so I'm pedaling the feet, taking some deep breaths, maybe coming up to the tiptoes, lifting both heels, and then pushing the heels back down to the mat. Trying to lift the tailbone up. By lifting the tailbone, we're just starting to stretch stretch the muscles in the backs of the legs and the back as well. So feel that shift when you're lifting the tailbone. On your next inhale, step both feet to the front of the mat, up to fingertips. Lengthen the spine, look forward. Exhale, full forward fold. Bending the knees, let the chest rest on the knees. Inhale, standing. Arms come out to side, opening up the chest, reaching upward. Exhale, back to center. Great. Okay. 2 more. Inhale, lifting arms up overhead. Exhale, forward fold. Following the breath. Inhale, straighten legs, look forward. Hands come up. And then hands come back down. Step back into plank while holding your breath, and then exhale. So exhale to come down to low plank. Inhale, lifting chest forward, reaching. Tops of the feet are on the ground into upward dog. Exhale, curling toes under. Pushing the tailbone upward into downward facing dog. So maybe the wrists might feel a little bit tight. Try to shift the weight towards the legs. So maybe bend the knees a little bit. Trying to make this pose as comfortable as possible. Some people find downward dog easy. Some people find it hard. So it's just takes getting used to. So modify as needed. On your next inhale, look forward, step both feet to the front of the mat, come up to fingertips. Exhale, full forward fold. Head comes down to the knees. Inhale, standing, opening up the arms, reaching, lifting. Exhale, back to center. Great. Okay, our final one. Very exciting. Okay, inhale, lifting arms up overhead. Stretching. Exhale, forward fold. Following your breath down. Inhale, straight, legs look forward, flat back. And then stepping into plank while holding breath. And then exhale into our low plank, chaturanga. Hug the elbows to the side. Inhale, lifting chest up. Upward facing dog. Feel the chest opening. And exhaling into downward dog. Okay, adjusting the hands. Trying to distribute the weight on the entire hand, the fingers, so we're not putting all the weight on the wrist. Driving the heels down, maybe adjusting the feet, so maybe walking the feet forward a little bit. It's always okay to bend the knees slightly. A lot of us have very, very tight hamstrings, tight lower back. Just releasing the head, just for a couple more breaths. Let these last 2 breaths be really focused. On your next inhale, look forward, step both feet to the front of the mat, come up to fingertips. Exhale, forward fold, so hands come down, bending knees. Inhale, standing, arms come out to side, reaching upward, full body stretch. And exhale, back to center. Good. So that was our 5 sun salutations. You can do this quickly or slowly as you like. The key thing is to focus in on the breathing. So, and also each sun salutation is like starting afresh after each one. So maybe each one might feel a little bit different and interesting. So that's the thing, is just trying to focus on our bodies, focus on our breathing, and really just warming things up. So having, yeah.
And setting yourself up for the rest of the day.
Yeah, so you can also do this in the middle of the day. I mean, just whenever you need a bit of a lift. So thanks for joining. See you next time.